हेलो स्टूडेंट, मैं चंचल कुमारी हमारे चैनल अटल स्टडी पॉइंट पर आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। स्टूडेंट, आज का वीडियो उन स्टूडेंट के लिए जो राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी से एमएससी कर रहे हैं या फिर करने वाले हैं। तो बच्चों, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि यूनिवर्सिटी अब धीरे धीरे यूनिवर्सिटी एग्ज़ाम्स की अपडेट दे रही है। जैसा कि अभी तक पता चला है कि बैचलर्स डिग्री के एग्ज़ाम जुलाई अगस्त तक संभव है। तो आज हम एमएससी फाइनल के सिलेबस के बारे में बात करेंगे ताकि आपको जल्द से जल्द आप अच्छी तरह से तैयारी कर सकें, आपको सिलेबस का अच्छी तरह से पैटर्न समझा सकें, आपको किस हिसाब से पेपर करना है, क्या आपका पेपर पैटर्न रहेगा, वो सब समझा सके। तो आज का वीडियो उसी चीज़ के लिए। तो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि लगभग हर सत्र में यही सिलेबस रहता है। चेंज भी आता है तो माइनर सा, और अगर किसी प्रकार का कोई चेंजेस आता भी है तो हम तो है ही आपको अपडेट करने के लिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे कि एमएससी फाइनल में कितने पेपर होते हैं। तो एमएससी फाइनल में 4 पेपर होते हैं। पेपर 5 एडवांस क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स एंड इंट्रोडक्टरी क्वांटम फील्ड, पेपर 6 न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स, पेपर 7 स्टैटिस्टिकल एंड सॉलिड स्टेट फिजिक्स, पेपर 8 माइक्रोवेव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, पेपर 8 भी प्लाज्मा फिजिक्स। डरिए मत, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये 5 पेपर कैसे शो हो रहे हैं। ऐसा नहीं है। पेपर 8 जो है ऑप्शनल है, आपको दोनों में से कोई एक पेपर चूज़ करना होता है। आप कोई भी पेपर ले सकते हैं। जनरली राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी में या जयपुर में माइक्रोवेव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का ही ज़्यादा वेटेज रहता है। ज़्यादातर यूनिवर्सिटी माइक्रोवेव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से ही करवाती है। प्लाज्मा फिजिक्स बहुत कम अवेलेबल है। तो अब हम बात करते हैं कि जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कि पेपर का मार्क्स जो है वो 100 नंबर का दे रखा है और ड्यूरेशन 3 आवर्स है। कोरोना काल में बच्चों के लिए सरकार ने थोड़ा पेपर पैटर्न में कम कर दिया गया है कि अब आपको 60 नंबर का ही पेपर अटैम्प्ट करना होगा, जो कि पेपर होर्स ड्यूरेशन 2 आवर्स है, जिसमें से आपको 3 क्वेश्चन अटैम्प्ट करने होंगे कोई भी सेक्शन के। तो अभी मैं आपको बता दूंगी कि पेपर किस टाइप से होता है, कैसे सेक्शन में डिवाइड होता है। तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे कि पेपर जो होता है ना, एक पेपर 2 सेक्शन में डिवाइड होता है, सेक्शन ए और सेक्शन बी। सेक्शन ए में 4 यूनिट है, सेक्शन बी में भी 4 यूनिट है। सेक्शन ए से आपको पेपर में 5 क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे, सेक्शन बी से 5 क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे। आज से पहले ये सिस्टम था कि आपको 2+3 या 3+2 के रेशियो से पेपर करना होता था, पर कोरोना काल में आपको किसी भी सेक्शन के कोई भी 3 क्वेश्चन करने होंगे। पहले आपको ये था कि आपको किसी भी सेक्शन के 2 क्वेश्चन तो कम से कम करने ही होंगे, और एक सेक्शन के तो टोटल आपको 5 क्वेश्चन करने होते थे। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, इन ऑल 10 क्वेश्चन आर टू बी सेट। टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन होते हैं, 5 फ्रॉम ईच सेक्शन। इस एक सेक्शन में 5 क्वेश्चन होते हैं। कैंडिडेट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू अटेम्प्ट 5 क्वेश्चन इन ऑल। पूरे पेपर में से कैंडिडेट को 5 क्वेश्चन करने होते हैं, टेकिंग एटलीस्ट 2 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ईच सेक्शन। तो एक सेक्शन में से आपको 2 करना होता है, 2 क्वेश्चन करने होते हैं। ठीक है। तो अब हम आगे टॉपिक वाइज सिलेबस डिस्कस करेंगे सभी पेपर्स का। तो सबसे पहले आप देखेंगे पेपर 5 एडवांस क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स एंड इंट्रोडक्टरी क्वांटम फील्ड। इसमें सेक्शन ए में यूनिट फर्स्ट स्कैटरिंग नॉन रिलेटिविस्टिक डिफरेंट एंड टोटल स्कैटरिंग क्रॉस सेक्शन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम सीएम फ्रेम टू लैब फ्रेम सॉल्यूशन ऑफ स्कैटरिंग प्रॉब्लम बाय द मेथड ऑफ पार्शियल वेव एनालिसिस एक्सपेंशन ऑफ ए प्लेन वेव इनटू ए स्फेरिकल वेव एंड स्कैटरिंग एम्पलीट्यूड द ऑप्टिकल थ्योरम एप्लीकेशन scattering from a delta potential, square well potential and the hard sphere, scattering of identical particles, energy dependence and resonance scattering, Bright-Wigner formula, quasi-stationary state, the Lippmann-Swinger equation and the green function, approach for a scattering problem, Brown approximation and its validity for scattering problem, Coulomb scattering problem under first Brown approximation in elastic scattering. Unit second relativistic formulation and Dirac equation. Attempt for a relativistic formulation of quantum theory, the Klein-Jordan equation, probability density and probability current density, solution of free particle KG equation in momentum representation, interpretation of negative probability density and negative energy solution, Dirac equation for a free particle, properties of a Dirac matrices and algebra of gamma matrices, non-relativistic correspondence of the Pauli's equation inclusive of electromagnetic interaction, solution of the free particle Dirac equation, orthogonality and completeness relation for Dirac spinors, interpretation of negative energy solution and Hall theory. Unit third symmetries of Dirac equation, Lorentz covariance of Dirac equation, proof of covariance and derivation of Lorentz boost and rotation, matrices and drag spinors, projection operators involving for momentum and spin parity, charge conjugation, time reversible, and CPT operators for drag spinors, linear covariants and their transformation behavior under Lorentz transformation, PCT and CPT, expectation value of coordinates and velocity involving only positive energy solution and the associated problem, inclusion of negative energy solution, jitter, Big Klein paradox. Unit 4, the quantum theory of radiation, classical radiation field transversality condition, Fourier decomposition and radiation oscillators, quantization of radiation oscillator, creation, annihilation and number operators, photon state. Photon as a quantum mechanical excitation of the radiation field, fluctuation and the uncertainty relation, validity of the classical description matrix element for emission and absorption, spontaneous emission in the dipole approximation, Rayleigh's scattering, Thomson scattering and the Raman effect, radiation damping and resonance fluorescence. Section B, Unit 5th, Scalar and Vector Fields, Classical Lagrangian Field Theory, Lagrangian density for electromagnetic field, occupation number representation for simple harmonic oscillator, linear array of coupled oscillators, second quantization of identical bosons, second quantization of the real Klein Jordan field and complex Klein Jordan field, the Mason propagator, the occupation number representation for fermion, second quantization of the Dirac field, the fermion propagator, the EM interaction and gauge invariance, covariant quantization of the free electromagnetic field, the photon propagator. Unit 7, asymmetric, the asymmetric expansion, Wick's theorem, diagrammatic representation in configuration space, the momentum representation, Feynman diagram of basic process, Feynman rules of QED. Application of Unit 8, applications of asymmetric formalism, the Coulomb scattering, Bhabha scattering, Molar scattering, Compton scattering and pair protection. Paper 6, Nuclear Physics, Section A, Unit 1st, Two Nuclear System and Nuclear Forces, General nature of the force between nucleons, saturation of nuclear forces, charge independence, any spin independence, general forms of two nuclear interactions, central, non-central and velocity dependent, potential, analysis of ground state 3s of deuteron using a square potential range depth relationship, excited states of deuteron, discussion of the ground state of deuteron under non-central force, calculation of the electric quadrupole and magnetic dipole moments, the d state admixture. Section A में Unit 2nd, nucleon scattering and potential, partial wave analysis of the neutron proton scattering at low energy assuming central potential with square well shape, concept of the scattering length, coherent scattering of neutrons by protons in ortho and para hydrogen molecule, conclusion of this analysis regarding scattering lengths, range and depth of the potential, the effective range theory in neutron proton scattering and the shape independence of nuclear potential, a qualitative discussion of proton scattering at low energy, general feature of two body scattering at high energy, effect of exchange force, phenomenological, Hamada, Johnston, hardcore potential and Reed, hardcore and softcore potential, main feature of the one boson exchange potential, OBEP, no derivation. Unit 3rd, interaction of radiation and charged particle with matter, no derivation, law of absorption and attenuation coefficient, photoelectric effect, Compton scattering, pair protection, Kalin-Nishijima, cross section for polarized and unpolarized radiation, angular distribution of scattered photon and electrons, energy loss of charged particle due to ionization, Bremsstrahlung energy target and projectile dependence of all three processes, range energy curves, strangling. Unit 4, experimental techniques, gas field counters, scintillation counters and co-counter, solid state detectors, surface barrier detector, electronic circuits used with typical nuclear detectors, multi-wire proportion chambers, nuclear emulsion, techniques of measurement and analysis of tracks, proton synchrotron, linear acceleration of heavy ions. Section B, paper 5, nuclear shell model, single particle and collective motion in nuclei, assumption and justification of the shell model, average shell potential, spin orbit coupling, single particle wave function and Levin sequence, magic number shell model, prediction for ground state parity, angular momentum, magnetic dipole and electric quadrupole moments, and their comparison with experimental data, configuration, mixing, single particle transition, probability according to the shell model, selection rule, approximate estimate for the transition probability, and Vyskov units, nuclear isomerism. Unit 6, collective nuclear models, collective variable to describe the cooperative modes of nuclear motion, parametrization of nuclear surface. A brief description of the collective model Hamiltonian in the quadratic approximation, vibrational modes of a spherical nucleus, collective modes of a deformed even nucleus, and moment of inertia, collective spectra, and electromagnetic transition in even nuclei, and comparison with experimental data. Nelson model for the single particle state in deformed nuclei. Unit 7, nuclear gamma and beta decay, electric and magnetic multipole moments and gamma decay probabilities in nuclear system, no derivation, reduced transition probability, selection rules, internal conversion, and 0-0 transition, general characteristic of weak interaction, nuclear beta decay and lepton capture, electron energy spectrum and Fermi Curie plot, Fermi theory of beta decay, parity conserved, selection rule, Fermi and Gamow-Taylor for allowed transition and values, general interaction, Hamiltonian for beta decay with parity conserving and non-conserving terms, forbidden transition, experimental verification of parity violation, the V interaction and experimental evidence. Unit 8, nuclear reaction, theories of nuclear reaction, partial wave analysis of reaction cross section, compound nucleus formation and breakup, resonance scattering and reaction Breit-Wigner dispersion, formula for S wave L बराबर 0, continuum cross section, statistical theory for nuclear reaction, evaporation probability and cross section for specific reaction, the optical model stripping and pickup reaction and their simple theoretical description, Butler theory using plane wave burn expression, shortcoming of PWBA nuclear structure studies with deuteron stripping, DP reaction. Paper 7th, Statistical and Solid State Physics, Section A, Unit 1st, Basic Principle, Canonical and Grand-Canonical Ensemble. Concept of statistical distribution, phase space, density of states, Liouville theorem, system and ensemble, entropy in statistical mechanics, connection between thermodynamic and statistical quantities, micro-canonical ensemble, equation of state, specific heat and entropy of a perfect gas using micro-canonical ensemble, canonical ensemble, thermodynamic function for the canonical ensemble, calculation of mean value, energy fluctuation in a gas, grand canonical ensemble, thermodynamic fluctuation for the grand canonical ensemble, density fluctuation. Unit 2nd, partition function and statistics, partition function and properties, partition function for an ideal gas and calculation of thermodynamic quantities, Gibbs paradox, validity of classical approximation, determination of translation, rotational and vibrational contribution to the partition function of an ideal diatomic gas, specific heat of a diatomic gas, ortho and para hydrogen identical particle and symmetry requirement, difficulties with Maxwell Boltzmann statistics, quantum distribution function, Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics, Bose-Einstein statistics, Planck's formula, Bose-Einstein condensation, liquid helium as a boson system, quantization of a harmonic oscillator, and creation and annihilation of phonon operators, quantization of fermion operators. Unit 3rd, theory of metals, Fermi-Dirac distribution, density of state, temperature dependence of Fermi energy, specific heat, use of Dirac statistic in the calculation of thermal conductivity and electrical conductivity, Windman fringe ratios, susceptibility, width of conduction band, Drude theory of light absorption in metal band. Unit 4, band theory, Bloch theorem, chronic Pelling model, effective mass of electrons, Wigner-Sitz approximation, NFV model, tight binding method, and calculation of density for a band in simple cubic lattice, pseudo potential method. Section B, Unit 5th, lattice vibration and thermal properties, interrelations between elastic constant C11, C12 and C44, wave propagation and experimental determination of elastic constant of cubic crystal, vibration in linear mono and diatomic lattices, determination of phonon dispersion by inelastic scattering of neutrons. Unit 6, semiconductor law of mass action, calculation of impurity conductivity, ellipsoidal energy surface in SI and GE, Hall effect, recombination mechanism, optical transition and Shockley theory, excitation, photoconductivity, photoluminescence, points, linear, planar and bulk defects, color centers, F center and aggregate centers in alkali halides. Magnetism, Larmor, diamagnetism, paramagnetism, Curie, Langevin and quantum theory, susceptibility of rare earth and transition metal, ferromagnetism, domain theory, Wiss molecular field and exchange, spin wave dispersion relation and its experimental determination by inelastic neutrons, scattering, heat capacity, nuclear magnetic resonance, condition of resonance, Black equation, and NMR experiment and characteristics of an absorption line. Superconductivity, A. Experimental results, Meissner effect, heat capacity, microwave and infrared properties, isotope effect, flux quantization, ultrasonic attenuation, density of states, nuclear spin relaxation, Giver and AC and DC Jobson tunnelings, B. Cooper pairs and derivation of BCS, Hamiltonian results of BCS theory, no derivation. Paper 8th A. Microwave electronics. Section A. First, waveguides, introduction to microwaves and its frequency spectrum, application of a rectangular waveguides, wave equation and its solution, TE and TM modes, dominant mode and choice of waveguide, dimension, method of excitation of waveguide. B. Circular waveguide equation and its solution, TE, TM and TEM modes. C. Attenuation, causes of attenuation in waveguides, wall current and derivation of attenuation constant, Q of the waveguide. Unit 2nd A. Resonators, resonate mode of rectangular and cylindrical cavity resonators, Q of the cavity resonators, excitation of techniques, introduction, microstrip and dielectric resonators, frequency meter. B. Ferrites, microwave propagation in ferrites, Faraday rotation device employing Faraday rotation, isolator, gyrator, circulator, introduction to single crystal ferromagnetic resonator, YIG, Turnet solid state resonator. Unit 3rd Microwave tubes, space charge spreading over electron beam foxing, clustron, velocity modulation, two cavity clustron, reflex clustron, efficiency of clustron, electric and magnetic field of oscillation, modes of oscillation and operating characteristics. Traveling wave tubes, O and M type traveling wave tube, gyrotrons, construction of different gyrotrons, field particle interaction in gyrotrons. Unit 4 Microwave measurement. A. Microwave detector, power, frequency, attenuation, impedance using Smith chart, VSWR, reflectometer, directivity, coupling using direction coupler. B. Complex permittivity of material and its measurement, definition of complex of solid, liquids and powder using shift of minima method. Section B. Unit 5th A. Avalanche transit time device, reed diode, negative resistance of an avalancing PN junction diode, impaired and trapped oscillator. B. Transferred electron device, gun effect, two-way model, high field dot routines, different mode for microwave generation. E. Passive device, termination, short circuits and mesh termination, attenuator, phase changer. E and H plant T's, hybrid junction and direction coupler. Unit 6 Parametric amplifier, varactor, equation of capacitance in linearly graded and abrupt PN junction, manually row relation, parametric up converter and negative resistance, parametric amplifier, use of circulator, noise in parametric amplifiers, microwaves. Unit 7 Microwave antennas, introduction to antenna parameters, magnetic current, electric and magnetic current sheet, field of fusion, source, radiation form a slot antenna, open end of a waveguide and electromagnetic horns, parabolic reflectors, lens antenna, radiation field of microstrip waveguide, microstrip antenna, calculation, microstrip design formulas. Unit 8, A microwave communication, LOS microwave system, derivation of LOS communication range, OTH microwave system, derivation of field strength of a tropospheric wave, transmission interference and single damping duct propagation. B satellite communication, satellite frequencies allocation, synchronous satellite, satellites orbit, satellite location with respect to earth and look angle, earth coverage and slant range, ellipse effect, link calculation, noise consideration, factors affecting satellite communication. Paper 8th B, plasma physics. Section A, first basic properties and occurrence, definition of plasma, criteria for plasma behavior, plasma oscillation, Cauchy naturality and Debye shielding, the plasma parameter, natural occurrence of plasma, astrophysical plasma in magnetosphere and ionosphere, introduction to various theoretical approach, kinetic, multi-fluid and single fluid. Unit 2, charge particle motion and drift, guiding center motion of a charge particle motion in a first uniform electric and magnetic field, second gravitational and magnetic field, motion in non-uniform magnetic field, first grade B perpendicular to B, grade B drift and curvature drift, second grade B parallel to B, and principle of magnetic mirror, motion in non-uniform electric field for small Larmor radius, time varying electric field and polarization drift, time varying magnetic field, adiabatic invariance of magnetic moment. Unit 3, diffusion and resistivity, collision and diffusion parameter, decay of a plasma by diffusion, ambipolar diffusion across magnetic field, collision in fully ionized plasma, plasma resistivity, diffusion via ionized plasma, solution of diffusion equation, plasma production and diagnostics, thermal ionization, Saha equation, brief discussion of methods of laboratory plasma production, steady stage glow discharge, microwave breakdown and induction discharge, double plasma machine, elementary ideas about plasma diagnostics, electrostatics and magnetic probes. Unit 4, MHD power generation, basic principle and working of MHD power generator, conductivity of gases, working fluid, basic fluid equation, generalized Ohm law, Faraday and Hall generators, performs characteristics and electric efficiency of Faraday and Hall generators. Section B, 5 waves in plasma, electron plasma wave, ion waves, electrostatic electron oscillation perpendicular to B, upper hybrid oscillation, electrostatics, ion waves perpendicular to B, ion cyclotron waves, lower hybrid oscillation, electromagnetic waves in field free cutoffs and resonance plasma, electromagnetic waves perpendicular to B, electromagnetic wave parallel to magnetic field, hydromagnetic wave, magnetosonic wave. Unit 6, equilibrium and stability, hydromagnetic equilibrium, diffusion of magnetic field into plasma, classification of instability, gravitational instability, kinetic treatment of plasma oscillation and Landau damping, physical explanation. Unit 7, non-linear effects, the Sagadao potential derivation of KdV equation for ion acoustics waves, solution in one dimension, elementary ideas about the conductive force, parametry, instability, oscillating two-stream instability. Unit 8, controlled thermonuclear fusion potential and problem of controlled thermonuclear fusion, Langton, temperature and Leveson criteria, magnetic confinement, simple discussion of Tokmak, stellators, multipole and jet pinch, idea about inertial confinement and laser fusion method of plasma heating and problems of fusion. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो। यदि कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हो, और अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सभी लेटेस्ट अपडेट पाने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ओके, बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।